I'm back in Australia, as you could see, but I've made some plans. I decided that I'm gonna move to Japan in October. After my last recent trip, I just discovered how productive I could be in a place like Japan. I feel like there's definitely more opportunity in a place like Japan than here in Australia. I just really love Japan. So this is gonna be my last year in Australia. I just got the Fuji X-H2S. I've really been enjoying shooting on the Fuji compared to my Canon. I actually sold all of my Canon equipment. After my experience in Japan, lugging around the cinema camera, the photo camera, the action camera, I just realized I really needed to lighten my load. And it was kind of unnecessary to have so much equipment. And there's cameras like the Fuji that can do photo and video amazingly. I hope the audio's okay. I just got this Rode mic as well. Take a look at this view. What's crazy is I'm only a 20-minute walk from the beach. That's something that I'm gonna miss. But there's something about the city life in Tokyo that just recharges me. There's always something to do. And I'm shooting right now at H.265, 6.2K, open gate. Australia is a great place, but I feel like there's not a lot of opportunity here, at least for what I'm trying to do. Oh wow, the sun is blasting right now. When you're shooting at f-log2, the camera by default is in ISO 1250. I did order an ND filter, which I'll use in the next video, but I like shooting at f-log. I want to play around with colors and stuff. I'm really impressed with the video quality of the Fuji. It's really on par with the cinema camera I used to own. But now it's time to put the Fuji through the photo test. All these photos were shot with Fujifilm Simulation Astia, and I boosted the shadows in post. Even though I do use external microphones, I did want to try the in-camera audio, and it sounds pretty great. I'm using this camera primarily for vlogging, but I'm also using it to take photographs, so it's great to have a camera that can do all. I want to be able to walk around with limited equipment and not sacrifice quality, and the Fujifilm X-H2S is delivering both in video and photo.
Especially when you get separated together.
All the sounds too.
How many eggs do we have?
We don't. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Hello. Can I get 5 pieces, please? We always come to the markets here to get these steamed dumplings. They're so good. And these are veggie ones. I actually prefer the veggie ones than the meat ones. And the sauce he puts them in so good. Vinegar soy sauce dressing or something. Australia has like really good quality fruits and vegetables. Fresh squeezed orange juice. That's delicious.
Any spices?
Nah, all good. We'll see you again. Cheers.
I just ordered a cinema lens and some ND filters, so I'm going to try those out in my next video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment.